So it's a wonderful day again, Felix Apia. Today we are on a farm, very set up, and you can see the innovation that has gone on here. Very, very beautiful stuff. The rabbits are excellent, and then the farm is so clean. Look at how they harvest the urine. Everything is excellent, and then you can see some of the designs, the rabbits. Everything is on point. That's one of the beautiful stuffs about most of the rabbit setup. And this has a bit of wood in the structure, very simple, but it encompasses the roof as well. And where he has it, he hasn't built a shed like on top, but then he's using the tree canopy as a shed and a few other instances. And look at these beautiful bunnies, bunnies, wonderful bunnies. Yeah. So that's it, and we are buying some from him as well. So there's quite a few that we are buying. These are the carrier cages that we use, so that they don't get stressed. And then this is one other innovation I am loving so much, the feed bowl, how it looks like. You can see he has made it in such a way that it doesn't move, because the rabbits are known to pour out the feed. And this is awesome, man. That's the innovation we are looking at.